Hey guys, it's Kayla, your Wednesdays on the Arrow Faction, and this week's theme is Craft Week. And for a while, me and my brother have been talking about birdhouses in my backyard. We already have a couple, so I'm going to be attempting to make a birdhouse out of popsicle sticks. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm not really sure how well this will turn out, but I'm going to start by making the floor. Okay, so to make the entrance, I'm gonna put two popsicle sticks like that on each side, and then hopefully make some sort of door. So I'm just gonna. So now that I have two popsicle sticks glued on each side, I'm going to glue two popsicle sticks together like that, so it reaches across. Okay, so this dried, and I put this on without the camera recording because I thought it was, but here it is. It is nicely sitting on these things, and it's for a very small bird apparently. But I've seen birdhouses with like holes that big, so I'm sure this is fine. Okay, so I kind of stacked some popsicle sticks. So I think what I'll do is, yeah, I'll make it like the roof like that. Pretty good. Okay, so this kind of looks like a box with like an open lid. It's pretty interesting. I have never seen a birdhouse anything like it. So I'm going to wait for this to dry, and then I may add some more popsicle sticks to it. I'm not sure, or I might just move to the decorations. So let's get this dried. I come with a fan. I hope this makes it dry faster, so. My dog is very interested in this fan. Don't know why, maybe she's never seen one before. So yeah. Okay, no, I don't want it going over there. Now I'm gonna add some decorations. Okay, so I finished this birdhouse thing that doesn't really look like a birdhouse, but any bird would be okay with living in this, I am sure. So that wraps up my video, and so see you guys next week on the Arrow Faction. Bye!